good thing he needs the tube, but not so much.
He just needs the airway, that tube to keep everything open. It's really what seems to be going on.
That's not your toy, Papa. That's not your toy.
No.
It's on you, but it's not your toy.
That will be very unfun for you later if you pull that out. Okay. Just make sure it's nice and dry, and we'll wrap him up, and then we can wash his hair. And we'll be done. Put a diaper on it too, so we don't have any more messes.
And no more pee. Please don't pee on me. Okay.
I think we're safe now.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, woo. Oh, mi cosito precioso.
Lo paré y pensé que iba a continuar otra vez. Te toman otra vez de regreso.
Sigue sobre el que ya está.
¿Vamos a seguir sobre eso?
Oh my.
My goodness.
Si no, los puedo pegar en la casa.
I'm going to keep him warm, so we'll just wrap him up and make him wash his hair.
And
Wrap you up, wash your hair.
do that.
Okay.
Tubo ya otra vez.
Mm?
Tiene el tubo ya otra vez.
So, let's put this under him. This is shampoo. And we'll just put a little bit of water just over his head. You can use one of these if you want. And then, if there's too much soap, he does have a lot of hair. We can go over to the sink if we need to. Because he got so
He
much
does.
hair. He got a lot of hair.
Gordo. Stinky monster. Chata, ¿qué déjame ver? La gran cabezota de mi gordo.
Tranquilito.
¿Estás para acá, papá? Casa Carlos, mío.
Hola, viejo.
Mucho. Ñaca, ñaca. ¿Te gusta que te bañen, gordo? Y si no te gusta, hacerle gancho porque yo te voy a bañar todos los días. Ay, pero aquí no te da, ve. ¿Ves cómo le hago para quitarte eso?
How we doing?
Yeah, now how can I take the shampoo off?
We can just use a wet one of those, and then you can use a
That?
toothbrush.
Sure.
To make him pretty. Here. Hairstyle.
Yeah, but I think it has a lot of
Just some
shampoo.
soap, yeah.
I think.
Yeah, just use one of those and just kind of, you can get his head wet if you need to. Yeah.
You like? Esa es mi mamá, como me voy a buchar. Ella, mi mami, cómo me molesta. Say hello.
It's being a good boy. He likes it, I think.
Yeah, I guess so. Bless you.
Shh.
Bless you. How you like that?
Looks good.
Oh my woo.
You look good.
All right.
buddy.
Your personal hairbrush.
You want to probably just dry it off first, and then we can style.
Probably get some gel and everything.
Professional salon.
Yeah.
More some more.
I'm gonna leave you spike you. How about that?
It's spiky. You want? We can make a mohawk if you want. We can do whatever you want.
Oh, I'll leave the mohawk. I'll vote for the mohawk.
Yeah. You
He was
should have
born.
a hair for one.
He was born like that. Jesus Christ. He was born with one.
With a mohawk.
He was like that for like a day or so.
Did you have a mohawk?
I just want to bite you.
Okay. Is he nice and dry? What do we think?
And I think he likes it.
Okay. We'll get this wet stuff out from under him. Is this wet?
No.
Good. And then you can. Okay. He's dry everywhere. So we'll put him back in his little bed. Suction him. Hands off, my man. Hands off that tube.
Did I give you the outfit that I picked?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
Okay, you can take that one out.
Oh, his diaper's coming out. Hola, mi amor.
His outfit, but I just need to put some leaves on him first.
Yeah.
He's actually used to it really well.
How
You're doing so good.
You have a big belly.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a butt sunbeater.
Look at that tube. I'm just watching you. I'm watching.
No.
No.
That's not your toy.
No.
That's not a toy.
Okay. All right. You can get him dressed. I'm gonna just probably go the same way up again because that worked. That way we don't have to worry about his tube.
Bless you.
Let's take this off his foot to make it easier. I'm impressed. He really likes this. You like it.
Hola. Y para cercano tiene.
Ah,
Para cercano tiene.
bien. Ahí arriba.
Este.
Ajá. Gimme, gimme. That's mine.
Rolling all over the place.
What you doing? What you doing? Hi, sexy boy. You're sexy. You are my
Smelling
sexy.
good. It's smelling good.
You're my sexy boy.
Okay. Looks good. It's really good.
Wait. Wait.
No, no.
There you go.
All right, cool.
I'm
Done.
learning.
You're doing great. I'm very impressed.
Yeah, I'm not really. Don't touch that. I'm not really afraid of any of the cables he's plugged in. But I just don't want to see him with that thing on his face anymore. I want to see your
know.
face.
I know.
I want to see your face.
Okay. Our boy's done.
I want to see your face. Can I see your face? Gordo.
There it is.
Gordo. Mi gordo.
Okay.
You smell yummy.
Yes. Love that. Nice. Pick him up. I'll put him in here.
Oh, mi gordo.
Hola, viejo.
Mira, mi gordo. Hola, chica.
Do you get to hold him very
Hola.
often?
Not like this, obviously.
Give him kisses now.
Yeah. This is actually the first time I actually held him like this. Oh, you're so cute.
You're such a good boy. You might need a bigger bed.